back. I love Nigeria. I'm so happy that we are taking this relationship to the next level.
Hey, afternoon. How are you? No, how are you now?
I know
I'm fine.
parish.
Huh?
I know parish.
Okay, where will they go?
We're actually coming to see you. This is my fiance. We've been together for 3 years now, and now we want to take this relationship to the next level. And he spoke about you to, bless our marriage. That's why we're on our way to see you. Yes.
See, it is very good, my brother. All the normal, it is very good that you recognize the presence of God in everything you are doing.
Yes.
So it's not a problem. So, Catholic. Catholic. So, some of the things you get before marriage. Okay, Emma. So, my brother, I'm just trying to tell her that we have our rules and regulations. Okay? So if you are ready, monetarily and otherwise.
Oh yeah. So we intend to pay you 1 million naira just to bless.
Jesus Christ.
Just to bless that day for us.
You intend to
give you 1 million naira.
Don't talk again.
I shouldn't talk again.
Don't talk again. We'll continue the discussion in a few minutes.
Why?
Father, told you this. 40 minutes to be collecting after people. Wouldn't be there important.
Is there a problem here?
Please, there is no problem. Nnamdi, no, good afternoon. How are you? Today, one. You were on your leg.
What are you talking about?
He said, where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Ghana.
Ghana.
Yes.
You're welcome. You know the Igbo?
No.
And who? Because your name is what?
My name is Too Sweet Anan, aka Twitchy, SK, whatever is Royal Highness and the Swagness and Swag Lord all the earth day. The Scrack Kalakin, y'all.
Hey! Oh my God, Hana Kalaki. My brother.
Too Sweet Anan, aka Twitchy, SK, whatever is Royal Highness and the Swag Lord all the earth day. The Scrack Kalakin, y'all.
Hey! Anywhere where they judge them, you go, I know what too sweet is your name, you can't stand with the too bitter. What are you doing with the too bitter? Don't you know how dangerous this man is?
He's dangerous?
Danger!
Don't mind him. He's one of the crazy persons in this town.
He's crazy?
Yes.
My
He's
brother.
running mad.
My brother, let me explain to you. Let me break it down for you.
Okay.
There is one evangelist in Lagos now. They call him Ebukobi.
Oh, yes. I've heard of.
You know him, man?
Yes.
There is one place he built psychiatric hospital now in Anambra State.
Yes.
This is one of the members there. He ran out of the psychiatric hospital. They will definitely catch him now. They will catch this one. Don't be offensive. I ran out of psychiatric hospital. But he is the first patient in that psychiatric hospital. So two of us, we ran out of the same place at the same time.
No. Listen, if you were in a psychiatric hospital, why are you out here? You're supposed to be in there so they can take care of you.
The same reason you are out here is the reason I am out here. Because all of us, the way I'm seeing it, all of us are running mad. What are you doing with this man? Your wife will explain better. She knows this man.
He's a madman.
He's a madman?
Mu are a madman.
Okay,
Mu are a madman. I will not blame you. Chana. So what are you doing with this man? Who is she to you?
She's my fiance. We're about to get married.
Hey!
I came all the way from Ghana,
No wonder it must be a stranger that will come here to Bukra Ibuojo. I don't understand. Why must you understand? You must be a stranger that will see everything that this lunatic here has committed and come and marry here. Because nobody within this vicinity will see what this person has done and done. Or they call it. They say what God has joined together. Let no age put us on. So what are the age you doing here? What are you doing here?
Excuse me, what are you guys talking about?
What? Sorry, my brother. What I'm trying to say is that God has saved you. For the fact I have entered into this matter, your life is secured and safe. Is there anything like money transaction in between this conversation?
Oh yes. So the are you okay?
I should be okay when you talk.
So he's supposed to bless our.
Don't talk to the other side though. Just
hang it to
Okay, Nam spoke.
He's a reverend father that is going to bless our marriage, and we intend to pay him 1 million naira.
1 million?
Yes.
Nam.
shock.
Why wouldn't I be shocked?
And I shock go put in a wheel.
Oku Kegu Wabilu. Oku Kegu will be Takola. Kegu was surgeon. In fact, Oku Wakaba on a Baba Nanti. 1 million.
Can go Chineke can
Elonia Genebiembo.
Oh, Chineke,
Stop speaking black Femi. Stop speaking black Femi from your mouth. Oku Chineke in a year go Chineke. 1 million naira just to bless marriage. You not even ask them if they are member. You are not even sure if they are following the rules and regulations of the church before they will, because every gathering has procedure. Every organization, you must pass their rule and regulation before they can give you. Your own not to collect money. Them or you didn't ask them if their blood is compatible, if the family is matchable. Nothing. This nigga 1 million.
I got to time here before.
Give us another ego.
Oh, yeah, I want to transform me.
This man, whether they hear English now, can give you the white to deceive for you. We here no get make a bush. I want to know here.
Mental problem.
Not every woman supposed to marry. Some question we use and drop.
She's supposed to get married to me. We're supposed to be married. Okay, we love each other. We've been together for 3 years, and we want him to bless our marriage. So I'm just offering him 1 million naira for blessing the wedding. He's not taking money from me. He's not cheating me.
Yeah, he's not cheating you. You are just speaking oral English. By the time they both of them must have drained you. Your oral will come out. So you want to pay 1 million naira for just a marriage blessing?
Yeah, just blessing.
Me too, I'm a blesser. Also, because you rent the mother can bless. How many families have blessed? I they bless. My own now 50,000 for one blessing. I go bless you. Your marriage is blessing uncle. It's blessing Eken. It's blessing Ori. Blessing now for your market days. That is 50 times for 200
to bless our
to bless over blessing
200,000.
200,000.
He's joking. He's mad.
No,
is it the shrine that wants to bless you and be God? Which one do you want?
I don't know God. Who made you God?
Because shrine again.
Who made you God? He who goes. He will go up.
My brother, just allow him to rant. After ranting, he will make this place. We continue with what we're saying.
You continue with your transaction. Transaction failed.
Which transaction?
Business transaction. You know, transaction has failed.
Okay. Look, I'm just gonna give you the 200,000 right
You
now.
can transfer.
Yes.
Hold on. Let me ask your wife something. Let me before I get low again. I'm not going to take the young.
I don't touch you good idea.
Advice.
You don't want to get
pastor.
What's going on? I don't understand
This
what.
man is a madman. This is a reverend father.
business transaction.
He will have done. He will have all the key.
He's embarrassing you. These people are about to take.
He's advising you. This man is a
No. He's,
When I got the
Reverend Father, you're not allowed to touch him.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm not touching him.
He said 200,000, and I think
My blessing is cheaper.
it's good for me.
I'm calling him a brother, a good brother.
Brogan.
See, no problem. The church will take 100,000 so that everything cut off.
I went to
Church will take 100.
50,000 for everything.
Jesus.
Oh yes.